Want to learn more about the leg machines at Planet Fitness? In this video, I describe each of the lower body machines, explain what muscles each of them work, and demonstrate how to use them. Let's get started. Seated leg press machine. The seated leg press machine consists of a seat with a backrest that slides back and forth along a track, a seat adjustment handle, handles for support, a platform that you push against with your feet, and a stack of weights. Depending on your foot positioning, the seated leg press can emphasize different muscles, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. If you want to target more of your quads, position your feet in a narrow and low position on the platform, pressing with your midfoot. If you want to target more of your glutes, position your feet in a narrow and high position on the platform, pressing with your heels. If you want a bit of both, position your feet shoulder width apart in the middle position on the platform, pressing with your midfoot. To use the machine, first select your weights. Then take a seat and place your feet depending on what you want to target. Adjust the position of the seat with the adjustment handle so your knees are bent around 90 degrees. Once you're ready, hold onto the support handles, exhale, and push away from the platform by extending your legs, but stopping before you completely lock out your knees. Here, you'll see that my legs are extended, but the knees are not completely locked out, so there's a slight bend and angle. Here's what fully extended legs look like for reference. Once you've extended your legs without locking out, inhale and return to the starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Seated leg press machine, 30-minute express workout variation. There's another seated leg press machine in the 30-minute express workout room. The difference here is that the platform moves as opposed to the seat. Just like the other leg press machine, this machine consists of a seat with a backrest, handles, and a platform. The back seat position adjustment is located behind the seat. It also targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, depending on your foot positioning that I explained earlier. To use the machine, first select the weights you want to use. Then adjust the back seat so you're not too close or too far from the platform and that you're able to bend your legs to around 90 degrees. Adjust your feet position as needed. Hold onto the handles, exhale, and push the platform away from you by extending your legs without completely locking out your knees. Inhale and return your legs to starting position by bending your knees. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Decline leg press machine. The decline leg press machine is different from the other two leg presses in that you're in a decline position and that the weights used are free weight plates instead of a weight stack. Also, the decline position allows for an increased range of motion and stretch in the muscles. You need to operate this particular machine with caution because improper use can lead to injury. The machine consists of a movable large platform with rods to rack on weight plates. There's a seat with a backrest that's angled below. There are handles that play a very important role in the use of the machine in terms of locking and unlocking the platform. You need to make sure that your feet are pushing against the platform before you touch the handles so that the platform is secure. For this particular version of the decline leg press machine, which is the hammer strength version, moving the handles outward unlocks the platform and moving them inward locks it. However, there are variations of the machine, such as the matrix decline leg press, in which the inward position unlocks the platform and the outward position locks it. So be mindful of how the machine you'll be using operates. To use the decline leg press machine, carefully add the desired weight plates onto both sides, making sure they're the same amount. Then adjust the seat to a comfortable position. Take a seat and rest your back straight against the backrest. Adjust your feet based on the muscles you'd like to target. Hold onto the handles that are locking the platform in place. Push the platform away from you by slightly extending your legs, then move the handles outward to unlock and lower the platform, allowing you to bend your knees. Hold onto the support handles. When the platform is lowered and your knees are about 90 degrees, exhale and extend your legs without completely locking your knees out. Inhale and return to the starting position. The platform needs to go past a certain point in order to be secured by the locking mechanism, so when you're done with the machine, extend your legs and move the locking handles inward to secure the platform. Glute machine. The glute machine, also known as a glute kickback machine, consists of a pad to rest your upper body, a lever for your foot to push against that swivels, so you can target each side one at a time, and a weight stack. The glute machine focuses on working your glutes. Since this is a single leg exercise, you'll need to perform the exercise for each leg to ensure you're balanced. To use the glute machine, first select a weight from the weight stack. Adjust the height of the upper pad so it supports your torso comfortably. Hold onto the handles in front of you. Plant one foot on the ground for balance, and place your other foot with your heel against the lever. This heel placement will help emphasize your glutes. Exhale and kick the lever back as far as you can away from you. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets, adjusting the weight as needed, and moving the lever so you can work the other side. Leg extension machine. The leg extension machine consists of a seat with a backrest, a padded bar that goes in front of your shins, handles to hold onto, and a stack of weights. This machine targets your quadriceps, or quads, which are the large muscles located on the front of your thighs. To use the leg extension machine, select the weights you want to use from the weight stack. You can always adjust based on your fitness and strength level. If you're a beginner, I'd start at a weight where you can knock out 12 reps across 3 or 4 sets. And that's the same recommendation for all the other exercises I described in this video. Start by making sure the seat is positioned so you're not too far back or too far forward. Your knees should be bent at 90 degrees. Then, adjust the height of the padded bar so that it goes comfortably above your ankles where your shins begin. Keep your back pressed against the backrest. Exhale and lift the padded bar by fully extending your legs. Then inhale and lower the legs back to their original position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets, and adjust the weight as needed. Leg extension machine, 30-minute express workout variation. There's usually another leg extension machine with some minor differences in the Planet Fitness 30-minute express workout room. And if you want to learn more about what that room is all about, check out the video in the top right corner. Anyways, this machine is slightly different in terms of how you adjust the bottom support pads. The adjustment pin is located in the front as opposed to the sides. And of course, the machine is yellow. Other than those differences, the machine works the exact same way as the other leg extension machine, with you taking a seat with your knees bent and extending your legs. Leg curl machine. The leg curl machine consists of a seat with a backrest, a padded bar that goes behind your ankles, another padded bar that keeps your thighs in place, handles to hold onto, and a weight stack. This machine targets your hamstrings, which are the muscles located on the back of your thighs. To use the leg curl machine, select the weights you want to use from the weight stack. Adjust the seat position and the lower padded bar so that the back of the ankles are resting comfortably on the padded bar. Adjust the upper padded bar so it keeps your thighs locked in position. Hold onto the handles in front of you and press your back straight against the backrest. Exhale and curl your legs by pushing the lower padded bar as far down as you can towards your glutes, bending your knees. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Leg curl machine, 30-minute express workout variation. The lying leg curl machine is a variation of the leg curl machine we just went over, except this machine has you in a prone position. This type of yellow machine is located in the Planet Fitness 30-minute express workout room. Just like the seated leg curl machine, the lying leg curl machine targets your hamstrings. The machine consists of a large pad for you to rest the front of your body, a padded bar that goes behind your ankles, handles to hold onto, and a weight stack. After you've selected your weights, just like with the seated leg curl machine, adjust the lower pads so it's positioned behind your ankles. Once you've got your legs in position, place your chest over the large pad in front of you and hold onto the handles. Exhale and lift the lower padded bar by bending your knees and bringing your feet towards your glutes. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Calf extension machine. The calf extension machine, also known as the calf raise machine, consists of a seat with a backrest, a bar for you to place your feet, handles to hold onto, and a stack of weights. This machine targets the calf muscles, which are located on the back of the lower legs. To use the calf extension machine, select the weights you want to use, adjust to a position where your knees are slightly bent, place your feet so that the balls of your feet are positioned on the bar with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold onto the handles and press your back straight against the back seat. Exhale and extend your ankles by pushing the bar down and away from you. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Adductor machine. The adductor machine consists of a seat with a backrest, handles, 2 padded supports positioned at the inner thighs, and a stack of weights. This machine works the adductor muscles, which are located on the inner thighs. Strengthening the adductor muscles is important for maintaining good lower body strength, stability, and flexibility, as well as reducing the risk of injuries in the lower body. To use an adductor machine, select the weights you want to use, and adjust the seat to a comfortable position. Sit on the seat with your legs spread apart and your knees bent, resting against the padded supports. You can adjust how much your inner thighs work by lifting the adjustment pin and widening or narrowing your legs. The wider the distance, the more your inner thighs have to work. Once you're all set up, exhale and squeeze your inner thighs and pads together, lifting the weight stack. Inhale and release the pads by widening your legs back to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets, and adjust the weight as needed. Abductor machine. The abductor machine works just like the adductor machine, except here, you're pushing your thighs outward. The machine typically consists of a seat with 2 padded supports positioned at the outer thighs, handles, and a stack of weights. This machine works the abductor muscles, which are located on the outer thighs. Strengthening your abductors is important for maintaining good lower body strength, stability, flexibility, and reducing the risk of lower body injuries. To use the abductor machine, select the weights you want to use, adjust the seat so you're seated in a comfortable position, sit on the seat with your legs and your knees bent in front of you, resting against the padded supports. You can adjust how much your outer thighs work by lifting the adjustment pin and widening or narrowing your legs. The narrower the distance, the more your outer thighs have to push. Once you're set up, exhale and push your outer thighs and pads away from each other, lifting the weight stack. Inhale and bring the pads back to starting position by narrowing your legs. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Now that you know all about the lower body machines, check out my other Planet Fitness equipment demonstrations here. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.